Hi, hello, welcome to VHDL Basics. Today we are going to see about RAM versus ROM. If you are not subscribed this channel yet, please subscribe this and click the bell icon for the further updates. Now we need to know what is RAM. In digital design, RAM stands for random access memory. It is a type of computer memory that allows data to be accessed randomly, meaning that any byte of the RAM can be accessed without touching the preceding bytes. This is in contrast to sequential access memory, where data has to be accessed in specific order. FIFO, that is first in first out, right? That where we are accessing the data in particular order. So RAM is volatile memory. When power is off, the content of the RAM will be erased. Types of RAM, where there are various type of RAM, including dynamic RAM, DRAM, static RAM, SRAM, which have different characteristics in terms of speed, cost, and volatility. The choice of RAM type depends on the specific requirement and constraint of the digital design application. Application of the RAM. RAM is a crucial component in digital design because it provides fast access to data that the central processing unit or other hardware component need to operate on. It is used to temporarily store data that the CPU is actively using during program execution. When a computer or digital device is turned on, the operating system and applications are loaded into the RAM from the slower storage device like hardware drives or solid state drives. This process allows CPU to quickly access the necessary data, which significantly improves the overall performance of the design. What is ROM? In digital design, ROM stands for read-only memory. It is type of computer memory that is used to store data that should only be read and not written or modified by the computer or digital device. As the name suggests, data stored in ROM is read-only because it is typically programmed into the memory during manufacturing and its contents remain constant throughout the life of the device. The main characteristics of the ROM is that it retains the data even when the power supply is removed, making it non-volatile memory. This is in contrast of RAM, which is volatile and lose its data when power is turned off. There are different types of ROM, such as mask ROM, programmable ROM, erasable programmable ROM, and electrically erasable programmable ROM. Each type offers various degree of flexibility in types of programming and data storage performance. Some type of ROM can be programmed only once, programmable RAM and mask programmable RAM are the examples of that. While others can be erased and reprogrammable, like erasable programmable RAM or electrically erasable programmable RAM. Using specified, specified method or electric signals, we can reprogram and erase the content and reprogram it. So application of RAM is widely used in digital systems for storing essential software code, firmware, or other critical data that needs to be available as soon as the device is powered on. For example, the basic instruction needed to start up a computer or other electronic device such as smartphones or game consoles are often used ROM. This code is responsible for initializing the hardware, loading the operating system, and allowing the device to function properly. So this is the application of ROM. So now we can discuss about the difference between RAM and ROM. Random access memory and read-only memory. So RAM is read-write memory, meaning that data can be both read from and written to it. It allows dynamic storage, data storage, and retrieval during the operation of the computer or digital device. ROM, on the other hand, it is read-only memory, which means that data can be read from it. It is typically programmed during the manufacturing process and cannot be easily modified or written to after that point. In terms of volatility, RAM is volatile memory, meaning that it requires a constant power supply to retain the data. When the power is turned off, data stored in the RAM is lost. ROM, being non-volatile memory, retains its data even when the power supply is removed. The data stored in ROM remains intact across the power cycles. The RAM is used for temporarily data storage during the execution of the programs and running applications. It allows CPU to access data quickly, which improves the overall system performance. ROM is used to store a critical software code, firmware, or data that needs to be available immediately upon system power up. It provides the necessary instruction for computer or device to boot up and function correctly. So RAM allows for easy and frequent data modification. Data can be written and rewritten and erased as needed during the operation of the computer or device. ROM, as its name suggests, it is read-only, not easily modifiable. Once the data is programmed into ROM, it cannot be changed or updated in normal circumstances. Summary. In summary, RAM is fast, volatile, and read-write memory used for temporary data storage, while ROM is non-volatile, read-only memory and used to store essential software code and data that must be available upon system power up. Each type of memory serves a specific purpose in the overall function of digital design. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe this channel for more videos.